everybody, my name is Paloma. Welcome to Whiteboard Lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about Hi everybody, my name is Paloma. Welcome to Whiteboard Lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about using greetings and parting expressions in Portuguese. So please pay attention because this is very important in Brazil. Let's first start with the vocabulary. First we have the greetings. Oi, oi, oi means hi. Olá, olá, olá means hello. Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia, good morning. Boa tarde, boa tarde, boa tarde, good afternoon. Boa noite, boa noite. Boa noite means good evening or good night. We use the same word. In Brazil, we use oi much more often than olá. But you can use both if you want. And now let's see the parting expressions. Até mais. Até mais. Até mais. See you later. Até logo. Até logo. Até logo. See you soon. Tchau means bye. You can also say tchau tchau. Bye bye. Same as in English. You can see that we have até and até here. It means until. Literally. Até. So until literally means until more or see you later. And até logo means until soon. See you soon. Até logo. Okay, now let's move on to the dialogue. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia. Good morning. Bom dia. Good morning. So when someone greets you with one of those, you can use the same one to answer. Bom dia. Bom dia. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa noite. Boa noite. And this is the dialogue when parting. Tchau. Até mais. Boa noite, tchau. Tchau, até mais. Bye, see you later. Boa noite, tchau. Good night, bye. So you can also mix both. For example, tchau, até mais. Tchau, até mais. Or até mais, tchau. And you can also use boa noite or boa tarde, tchau. As we talked before, boa noite means good evening or good night. It could be both in this case. Okay, so when should we use bom dia, boa tarde or boa noite? Bom dia is used in the morning, so from the time you wake up until noon. Afternoon, after lunch, we use boa tarde. So from noon until sunset, we say boa tarde. And after sunset, when it's dark, we use boa noite until you go to sleep. Do you remember how to say good morning? Bom dia. Bom dia. And how to say hi? Oi. Oi. Do you remember how to say hello? Olá. Olá. And how to say good night or good evening? Boa noite. Boa noite. Do you remember how to say good afternoon? Boa tarde. Boa tarde. And how to say bye? Tchau. Tchau. Do you remember how to say see you later? Até mais. Até mais. And how to say see you soon? Até logo. Até logo. Today, we talked about greetings and parting expressions. Which one was the hardest for you? Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you again here at PortuguesePod101.com. Até mais! Tchau, tchau!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.